Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Accounts. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to using the Instagram app, and this is that message: an unexpected error occurred, please try again later. So how to get rid of this error message? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this issue happening? And this is occurs for two possible reasons, and the first one is if this Insta server have any problem, it shows this kind of message. So just visit this website and it will tell you if this Insta server have any down issue or not. And the second one of the reason is due to your mobile data connection or Wi-Fi connection not working properly. So just check your network connection if it is works normal or not. So once you check it and one time clear this Insta app data. So by simply long press on that Insta app icon and click on this circle icon. So here I try to access storage and finally click to clear this entire app data. And also don't forget to restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, and again try to open that Insta app and complete the login processes. So I hope now this time it doesn't show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. And also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Tech Accounts, and thanks for watching.